Hi, I'm John Bosaw with Rain, and I'm here at the E4 Almo show in San Francisco. And today I'm showing the new HAL processor and its accessories. What HAL is, it's a audio processor, DSP, with the ability for up to 512 inputs and 512 outputs. And what you do in between the inputs and outputs is pretty open for any type of processing that you might want. What we do differently than what maybe some of our competitors do is that we use what's called RAD ports. And RAD ports are these here where the Cat5 cable's plugged in. And basically on the Cat5 cable, out of that port, you have four capabilities. You have 2 channels of digital audio in, 2 channels of digital audio out, as well as COM data and power. So what you do is you pick a RAD device like this. This particular one has 2 inputs and 2 outputs on it. The flashing red lights are a good and bad thing. The flashing red lights mean that it's testing the cable and the cable is good, but this is not the device that it expected to see on the end of it. If I then plug in the correct device, in this case a RAD 2, now it shows green and it says that's what was expected to be on the end of this cable. So not only does this confirm your design, but it keeps a constant watch on the hardware as well. So the processing that's allowed in between these are anything from equalization to compression to ambient noise compensation, feedback suppression, that type of thing. So what you do is you come into the unit, do the processing, and of course exit to your amplifiers or where you want to go with the audio after that. The halogen software, which is what I have on the screen here, allows us to be able to do the layout of the hardware. This is what it looks like on the back of HAL. And then we go to the processing page, and this shows different processes that are available from this unit, inputs to outputs, etc. If you want to go to the exact processes that are available, I can do that over here on this page. And basically here on this column it shows all the different types of processes you can have: compression, equalization, crossovers, mixers, delays, etc., etc. So it's pretty intuitive and pretty quickly and easy to program. And then of course you have the ability for control as well. So you have the ability, let's say when you press a button on the wall, not only does it change the audio, but it also maybe opens a screen or a wall, etc., from using a switch closure. The customer would see these types of remotes like I have here. These are the DR3s, and they can be programmed to have meaningful labels so that the person using it has the ability to not have to understand what's going on, but just be able to press the button when they want a particular function to happen. We can have many different types of things on the controller. So it could be a mixer or a preset change or a selector, etc. You can use any type of control that you want, even down to something like a light switch coming into our relays and switch outputs. You have the ability to expand this up to 240 miles from the inputs to the outputs. So you're able to put it on fiber and run great distances, so you could do a whole campus using one HAL brain. So that's the HAL with the halogen software, and that's what we're putting out to today. And you can get more information on this product by going to our website, which is rane.com. And you can do that there, and of course also look in the Almo website for more information as well.